Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how you can use Cloud Rebuild feature in Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. Just imagine a situation when your system fails to boot and you do not have any recovery or installation media. You also don't have any other system to create these kind of media, and you want your system to be fully functional because you want to perform an urgent task. To meet these kind of scenarios, usually clean install or reset was suggested. However, with the new cloud rebuild option, you do not need any recovery tools and you can fully reinstall your operating system directly using this recovery option. And you can find this feature in the latest preview builds. The feature may be also available to general public with Windows 11 version 26H2. So in this guide, we will see the practical walkthrough of this new feature. To start this demo, we will simply launch the settings app by doing a right click on the start button and selecting settings. In case if your system is not bootable, it would be automatically booting you to the Windows recovery environment, and there you can select the cloud rebuild option, which I will share next in this video guide. Once the settings app is there, go to system, then recovery. Under recovery, click on the restart now button next to advanced startup. Make sure you save your work and hit restart now in this confirmation prompt. After this, the system restarts to the Windows recovery environment. You can see that we have place wait screen. So if your system is not able to boot, you will be seeing this screen when you are trying to start it. And after this, the journey is same. You will get the preparing for recovery. After this, we have choose an option screen. Simply select the troubleshoot option here. Under troubleshoot, we have the cloud rebuild option listed, which says install Windows on your PC from the cloud. This will remove all apps, settings and personal files. Once you click that option, you can see it is now connecting to the network. In our case, the cloud rebuild failed in the first attempt. You can see that we have cloud rebuild failed, error occurred during rebuild, and there is an error code as well. To learn more, we have the link mentioned here for cloud rebuild errors. Let's try it again. So I'll just hit the cancel button and again select the cloud rebuild option. As I said, this feature is currently in the preview build, so you can expect some of the glitches. And now you can see it is working. Okay, so here we have your PC will be installed with following feature. Here you will find that it is installing the same build you have already have installed, the same edition. In my case, it is Windows 11 Pro, and the same language. In this case, it is English United States. You have to simply click on the continue button then. After this, you get another screen. The information says proceeding will make the following changes on the PC. Remove all your personal files, accounts, apps and programs. Remove any changes you made to setting. Remove everything on the main drive and prepare for fresh install of Windows. Install Windows and required drivers. Files and settings saved to cloud storage won't be affected. So if you have already backup your data to OneDrive, no data will be affected. Acknowledge this information and hit the install button. After this, you got this screen preparing for a few moments. Then you can see that it is now currently downloading Windows. Make sure you let the system connected to the internet and do not turn off the power. So this screen may take a while to complete. So after a few moments, you can see that it is currently now on the installation screen. Installation windows will also go from 0 to 100%. After this, the system again restarts, and then you will see this installing screen, which also goes from 0% to 100%. And once it is done, the system would be automatically restarted. And after this restart, you can perform the OBE operation. That means setting up your device with a few details, usually the same task you do after doing a clean install. So after performing the OOB operation, you will be landed to the desktop, and then you got your fully operational system back. And this is how you can use cloud rebuild feature in Windows 11. In case if you have any question, do let me know in our comments. I'll be happy to help you. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and I'll see you in the next video.